Hey guys! Welcome to a new studio vlog. My name is Jessica, you can call me Jess, and I'm a freelance illustrator based in London. And finally I'm recording an intro for my blog. I wanted to show you something. Yesterday I got a special order, but I waited until today to open it. I got the Bookmarks, so let's open it together. I believe this is the only product that I've completely outsourced. I got it from printed.com and from here it looks lovely, it looks perfect. So let's see how they are. What do you do, guys? Do you usually make bookmarks from scratch, so from home, or do you get them online? I decided to get them online because the price was quite good, and so I could get also a thick paper. Instead, with my printer I can print up to 300 grams. Here they are. Oh, okay, we start from the cat. Yeah, this is the front and this is the back with my little logo. Yeah, the quality is good. And I was thinking about buying the little cutter to make the rounded corners, so people can choose if they want the squared or the rounded corners. These are the mushrooms. And then in the back instead there's a white background. The mushrooms are about to be smaller. So I've been doing the same also with the cats. Bigger cats in the front and smaller in the back. Then now it's time for the raccoon. Oh, here it is. Yay! And the back is the same, and I added the logo down here. Oh, and I think this is my favorite. I created this new pattern. I really like it. Of course, it's the same. We have the logo in the center, and the raccoons are a bit smaller. Yeah, I don't think I will be able to print something like this from home. Yeah, very happy. What do you think, guys? Yeah, then I have to take the pictures and add them to my shop. Since today is Thursday and the Black Friday is today. No, Black Friday is tomorrow. Oof. So it means I have to put the products by tomorrow. Yeah, if I want to start the sale tomorrow. I don't know if it's a good strategy to put new products directly on sale. Probably not, but it worked very well. When I launched my shop, I launched it with a sale and I got good results. And today I'm gonna publish the vlog, the previous vlog, and I'm gonna work on the famous notebooks. We'll see if I'm able to put them in my shop by tomorrow. Bye. I don't know if you remember, I bought this paper that I was using for the covers of the notebooks. It's a double-sided matte paper, but I didn't like it much. I couldn't get nice colors. And I don't know how it happened, and I ruined it. Or unless I ruined all, I'm not able to focus on the paper, I'm sorry. I ruined all the sheets. I can use it for the A6 notebooks, but not for the A4. So I bought this other one. I don't know what to expect. It was very cheap, 100 sheets, so we tried. I bought this paper before buying the laminator, so actually it's not that important probably that I have a matte nice paper. If I'm not able to get nice colors with this paper, I'm gonna use just normal cardstock. I get nice colors on cardstock, and it's also what I'm using to make my postcards. I'm including in the orders, and the colors are good. Yeah, it's a lot of trial and error. It's how it works. No, apparently there's nothing I can do about it. All the matte paper I buy doesn't work with the purple cats. There is no purple. What am I gonna do now with 100 sheets of paper? Okay, I'll try with a normal cardstock. The problem is that with a normal cardstock I'm not able to print borderless because I have to use the normal paper settings to work well. At least this is what I experienced. When you are using the normal paper settings you can't do the borderless. I don't know why. Thank you, printers. Hi guys, how are you? Do you remember last time we talked? Oh, probably 2 weeks ago. In the last 3 months I was working on the dissertation for the university course I'm attending. The master is not over, I still have another year and super excited about the last year. But yeah, we had to write this long essay and finally it's done! Oh, it feels so good. It feels so weird not having to work on that anymore. I haven't been working on new products at all in the last 2 weeks. I was just focusing on the dissertation and then sending the orders I was getting. I haven't gotten many orders in the last 2 weeks, but I perfectly understand that, especially considering that I didn't create a single Christmas product. I was thinking about creating some Christmas greeting cards, but in the end I realized that it was too late in the game. In the last section of the video I recorded, I was working on the notebooks. Okay, let's talk about the notebooks. I was quite happy with the result. I was able to change the cover to the notebooks that I bought, but then I realized that I wanted to change the paper because I was using a 250 grams paper that was perfect, but after the lamination it was getting super thick and I didn't fit it. You see, it's too thick in my opinion for a notebook. So then I got another paper by Epson, the Borsadi paper, which is thinner and with the lamination was perfect. Yeah, I really like this look, but I was still struggling at the cutting process when I had to cut the excess of paper or border. I was able to do it, but but it was very easy to scrap everything. So because if you were missing a cut, then you were gonna damage the internal pages, and then you, more or less, then you had to cut everything. And I'm not good at cutting things by hand, apparently. I have some problems. So it was quite frustrating that in the moment I was maybe ruining just one side, then everything was ruined. I didn't like that. But of course I didn't give up. I mean, I gave up with this. I found another solution. I got a Chinch. This is my new friend. Is the Chinch. Oh no, I'm losing paper. It's a machine to make holes to create spiral notebooks. I realized that in a spiral notebook, it's almost impossible that the paper matches perfectly on the side because the single sheets are loose in the binding. So that was my solution. It meant that I didn't need a guillotine, I could cut things with my paper trimmer. So then I started creating the notebook, and I realized that it would be nicer if I were creating a hardcover notebook. Yeah, I really loved the result. I was so happy. I was so happy. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you what I made. Yeah, here they are. Here they are, the confetti, because I've just taken a picture for Instagram, of course. So yeah, you see that inside there's another color, and this, the external part is, of course, is laminated. It's very nice, I love it. I was working with several options for the internal corner. I didn't love this solution, so then I started experimenting with some kind of folding, and I think this is nice. Yeah. Yeah, no, this is a bit, it's not as nice as the other one, but yeah, it's something that I'm learning. But yeah, I really love the process of making the hardcover, and you might wonder why I decided to to opt for such a complicated solution. As you see, all the elements are separated, so if I screw one of them, it's not that bad because I can change it. So if I screw the front cover, the back cover is safe, and also if I don't cut properly the internal pages, I can change it because these are all separated elements, and I like that. Instead with the other notebooks, the stapled ones, all the things are binded together, and yeah, there's not much to do with that. What day is today? Today is the 17th. Oh, in 2 days I'm flying back to Italy. Right. Well, we perfectly know that the current situation with the pandemic is not nice. It's not nice here in the UK, it's not nice in Italy. But today, in 4 hours, I'm gonna do the COVID test. It's required to fly, but also it's good that I'm not carrying the virus back to my family. However, it's not like I'm planning to go around visit all my friends. No, well, I'm simply happy to stay home with my relatives. I'm happy that this time I'm going back to Italy. I don't have work to do. Last time I went back to Italy was during the summer. I was finishing a long project and I was panicking because there was a new one that was going to start. So I went there to Italy just to stay the whole time at home working. It's also awful to be there during the summer because in Italy it's super hot, and no, I can't stand it. Yeah, I think I get used to the English temperature. So it's lovely now to get back and spend time, some quality time with my relatives, and also having the time to do my own things. And then, yeah, this is December, and yeah, you know that many people are doing the Vlogmas, and I was thinking about doing it during the second half of the month, but yeah, realistically I realized that it's impossible that I manage to do it every day. So now I'll see if I manage to make maybe small studio vlogs. However, I will be just drawings and eventually creating new products. Since I'm not here in London, in my studio. Of course I'm not able to prepare any orders to ship anything, however I'm not planning to close my shops, but I'm gonna change the shipping time in my Etsy and in my website. So yeah, if you like, you can still buy stuff. All right, yeah, tomorrow is the last day I can ship. Okay, I have to change my settings on my websites because I'm leaving in 2 days. All right, yeah, time is flying. So then I'm super excited about the new year. On the 20th of January, then the new semester of the master is starting, and finally we are back on drawing and illustrating, no more writing, and I will be creating a new children's book, a new project. I have to start thinking about it because I have no idea about what to do, and it will be great to share with you guys, yeah, what I'm working on for the university. Unfortunately, I started this vlog in September when the dissertation semester started, so I had nothing to share with you about my master, but next year will be super exciting. Regarding the university thing, I was thinking that maybe it would be interesting, don't know don't know if it's too early to think about it, but I was thinking about creating a Patreon next year, well, not immediately in January, but yeah, in the following months. I don't have a big following, but if I was starting sharing more personal projects, so not just my products for the shop, but also the illustrations and stories I create for the master, yeah, probably somebody would be interested in, yeah, in seeing the whole thing. I don't know. This is something, of course, I have to think about and plan very well, but next year I'd like to start making more videos. Yeah, it would be great if I were able to make one per week. So yeah, now I'm gonna end the vlog here. This time, instead of seeing myself talking the whole time, I left some footage of me creating the new notebooks. This is a process that I'm improving. I should be able to release the new products in January, so probably I'm gonna make a shop update. The notebooks I'm creating now are gonna be gifted to my sisters. So they will be my guinea pigs. If you like this kind of content, yeah, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I hope I see you very soon. See you soon, guys. Bye.